We can use Floe for mass correspondence, for example, sending an email newsletter. We will start by preparing the email template in Floe Designer. Here is one with various sections that we prepared earlier. Next, we need to prepare the recipient list, and we can do this in the SAP backend. We select the option to maintain recipients lists from the menu, then choose the New Entries option to create a new list. We give the list an ID and a description, and then save. Now we can add some recipients. We'll create one manually by adding the email address, name, and company. When the list is complete, we can use the transaction to trigger mass correspondence. We simply select the email type, and the recipient list, and then decide whether to send immediately or as a background job. When we execute, we see a simple report of the emails sent. Each recipient will receive an email. In this case, we can see it in Microsoft Outlook. So it's really easy to build recipient lists and email templates and send the communication from SAP for free. Transform all your SAP communication with Floe.